Quick update what it takes to be a YouTuber. I don't know, do you see the clock back there? It's like 1:30 in the morning AM. I gotta be up soon. Sacrifices, I guess. Do it for you guys. I got two new toys here I want to show you. One, the GoPro, which I'm looking at, my eyes are really baggy. It's got a front-facing camera. GoPro Hero 9, yeah, what up? So basically, I got a new computer here. I'm putting together a new video for you guys, upload to YouTube here after rendering, and I'm just tired of the old machine not keeping up. So I got a new one, it's portable, I can take it in the truck, take it to the office, I don't have to be stuck here, and it's hard to schedule here with a little 2-year-old running around, 2.5-year-old. But this is pretty sweet. It's got a 1 terabyte SSD hard drive. It's got 16 gig of RAM, pretty sweet video card, 10th generation chip, i7. Actually, it's not an i7, it's a Asus, so they use, I believe, AMD. But let me tell you, it's pretty sweet. It's blazing fast. I rendered one a minute ago and just, oh my god, I was like, did it do it? It was done in like 1 minute. So I can step it up into the 4K stuff. The cameras handle it, my computer didn't. And this thing just plays through it like a breeze. It crunches it. So I'm getting excited between these two new toys. Extra content, more footage, different angles, time warp, time lapse, whatever. And a new playlist coming soon. You want to know what it is? It's going to be called Bean Counter Dave. I'm super excited. What are you asking what it is? It's bean counting. I mean, it's behind the scenes, money related business stuff. So if you got an interest in that kind of thing, keep an eye out for the upcoming playlist and check it out. It's going to be exciting, I think. Other than that, we slow down this fall. We're going to get some more content coming and get it out there for you guys. That's what I got this stuff for. The life of a YouTuber. If anyone out there has any idea of a good software to use, I'm still using this NCH VideoPad video editor. I want to step it up to something nicer. The only reason I'm still using it is because it's what I'm used to, and that's the only thing this machine would run. So yeah, here it is. So come on 2021, I'm so ready for you. I'm excited. I'm ready for 2020 to be over and cannot wait to see where this channel goes in 2021. So stick around. Got a lot of plans, give backs and content, channel, all kinds of stuff. So stick around with me. Let's do this together. Let's grow and see where we go.